business news, the Kenya Pipeline Company has officially listed its shares on the Nairobi Securities Exchange, this marking, or rather bringing an end to an 18-year drought in major listings at the bourse. Speaking during the bell-ringing ceremony in Nairobi, the NSE chair, Kiprono Kittony, described the listing as a turning point for the exchange. Here's Jimmy Mbogo with more.
The Kenya Pipeline Company, KPC PLC, commenced trading on the Nairobi Securities Exchange, NSE. With an opening price of 9 shillings and 30 cents per share, signaling strong investor interest on the first day of trading. President William Ruto says this is a strategic shift in how Kenya finances its development, moving away from excessive reliance on debt and taxation. The listing is expected to expand opportunities for investors while elevating the stature of the NSE from a frontier market to an emerging market standard.
We strongly root for the capital markets as the most strategic tool that supports economic growth through the provision of capital, encouraging investments and improving market system. It is one of the most powerful mechanisms we have for mobilizing savings, directing investment and generating wealth.
Let us assume, as I said earlier, that we borrowed an amount equivalent to the proceeds of the IPO at, say, 12.5% interest rate. We would pay an annual interest of 13.5 billion every year, which is nearly 4 times the 3 or 4 billion dividend that the 65% Kenya Pipeline government shareholding would have continued earning the exchequer.
According to NSE board chairperson Kiprono Kittony, the listing further expands opportunities for investors, adding that this is a step in elevating the stature of NSE, noting that the reforms undertaken by the boss has removed long-standing barriers to entry for investors. He, however, cautioned the political class from interfering with market activities.
To the political class, as a nation, we must safeguard the credibility of our markets. The progress we have made should not be taken for granted. It has taken many years of discipline, sound policy, and trust building. The political class should not politicize this market.
The listing of the Kenya Pipeline shares here at the Nairobi Securities Exchange now offers a new investment opportunities for both retail and institutional investors, with the outgoing chair of the boss, Kiprono Kittony, calling for the decoupling of politics from market affairs. Jimmy Mbogo, Citizen TV, Nairobi.